Hey everybody, it's Bridget, and I thought just to make this really short, cozy feeling video because it is a storm outside tonight, and I'm not scared of storms, but like I definitely have some bad experiences with storm activity. I remember when I was a kid and that was extremely, like the lightning was like choo 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 all the time. Never experienced something like that as a kid, so I was ready to die. Anyways, I kind of felt really cozy, and I thought I should sit down and talk to you guys because I haven't done that in the past videos. I've been kind of having this inspiration, you know, videos with music and stuff like that going on lately, but you seem to like it, so I don't mind. But I want to sit in front of the camera and talk again because I've missed that. I got my lifesaver today. It's a blue drink. It's a blue awesome drink. It's a Bond, baby. It's really good. It smells really good. I live up for this, what this candle says. Do what you love what you do. It's simply that easy, isn't it? Sometimes it is. I wish it was like that all the time. The internet is down right now. I don't really have anything to do because internet, I need you. So I decided to make this video and edit it right away. And I also have some projects for my brother's birthday coming up, so I thought I could do that too, and probably play some Sims 4 because I'm addicted. I hope you guys comment and stuff on what you want to see, just as I said in the last video that I made, because I don't know what to do. I don't know what to film. Anyways, you get it. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Freaking out.